Whether you have a dog or kids, this easy to install and affordable upgrade will help keep them safe. Let me show you how to install it. So this is the Lippert Screen Defender, and it's super easy to install right here on the screen. It'll help prevent dogs from blowing through here, chewing through it, kids putting their hands through it. Again, it'll just help keep everyone safe. So let's go through the install steps because it's actually going to be pretty simple. So the first thing we have to do is measure the door to make sure that we order the right size. In order to do so, you are going to measure right here in the door jamb, and then you're going to round up about a ½ inch or so, 5/8 of an inch. So you'll see right here, we're at about 25.5. So we're going to round up to 26. So now that we're all measured up, now we get to install the main part of the Screen Defender here, the part that's actually going to do the vast majority of the work. So to do that, you will see right down on the bottom, you essentially have two little pins here. And so we're going to take one and we're going to insert it in the rear track. So you kind of have a track in the front and a track in the back. So we're going to put that right in the back, and then we're going to kind of bring this one in and drop that one down. From there, we'll just pinch these and be able to lock it in place, just like so. With the Screen Defender in place, you will see that it doesn't take up the entire space where the screen is. We have a gap here. So we have an extrusion to basically make up for that, but we have to figure out what size extrusion we are going to put in there. So what we want to do is we want to measure this gap. So take your tape measure, and with that measurement, if it is larger than 2 inches, we're actually going to use the bigger of the two extrusions. If it's smaller than 2 inches, we'll use the smaller of the two extrusions. So we have the smaller of the extrusions and the larger here. Now, the whole purpose of this is the fact that they are going to be adjustable. You'll see that you have grooves on the male piece as well as on one side of the female piece. So what this allows is for you to put the male piece in, and you can adjust the size based upon that measurement and what we need and set it accordingly. Now again, because ours was larger than 2 inches, I am going to use the larger of the extrusion pieces. Now when we're placing the extrusion, you'll see that one side is going to be a U channel, and that side is where the screen is going to sit. The other side will be an L channel, and that is going to sit on the bottom of the door. Once you get a basic idea, just by playing around kind of what size we need, then we're going to take the extrusion, we're going to set it in the bottom of the door, kind of pull up, and slide that extrusion piece, just like that, into place. And now your screen is going to be protected for your four-legged friends or small children. If you're interested in the Screen Defender, you can pick one up at your local Camping World or simply visit campingworld.com.